This video teaches you how to quickly print helpful PowerPoint handouts. Open your presentation in PowerPoint. Click the File menu. Click Print on the menu. Choose which slides to include in your handout. In the first drop-down menu under Settings, the Print All Slides option is selected by default. If you'd rather select certain slides, choose Custom Range and then enter the slide numbers. Click the Full Page Slides menu. A variety of print layouts will expand. Click a handout layout. Click the Edit Header and Footer link to edit your header and footer, optional. To add the date and time, check the box next to Date and Time and choose whether to update the time automatically based on time of printing or leave it fixed, date of your choosing. To add custom text to the top of each printed page, check the box next to Header and enter your text in the corresponding box. To add text to the bottom of each page, check Footer and add text to the corresponding box. If you make any changes in this window, click Apply to All to save your changes and return to the print screen. Choose the rest of your printing options. Click Print to print your handouts. If you found this video helpful, please click the like button and subscribe to our channel for even more helpful tutorials.